whispering, a sweet voice lures you into the depths of the forest quietly. Come on in, I know you want to go deeper into the forest for a treat. Hurry up, just come as fast as your legs can run through this empty field so dark. Just come on, I promise you this game will be so much fun, so get on your mark. The cinnamon sticks filled with magic spells you cast so frequently. Just imagine drowning the sweetest syrup in the water. Dreams will relieve your distress, no need to keep crying like a mess. All these streets are handmade by hand, have water drift into sleep. Once you sleep, then you will be surrounded by these images of me. When you take your blindfold off, you'll be able to see reality. You get to see your hands slide up, they're bound with strings and dragging on my heels. At this point, you've given up, oh, it's a lovely deal. Sometimes we see the shine of our doubts, they're laying at the tip of a double-edged knife. I told you love's just fake and there is no feeling of it in this life. Losing a blindfold, I saw something that maybe I shouldn't have glanced over to see. Shadows dance as night grew, the darkness surrounded us and it soon began to frighten me. Oh my, search up back in, how dare you wake up so early? If your blindfold comes up easily, maybe I should punch you myself. Hey look, now you're laughing at us, well isn't that the cutest thing you've seen? Even so you're wearing the lie, so let's begin our play night. Just give it to me. Why are you shaking so quickly in front of me like a scared little mouse? Milk is what you want from me because it made you well and you won't hold. This is my domain and keep it clean, there's no different from any other place. I'll plot down and make you feel home, so now you should leave and lose your face. Give me that quickly, just give it here, hand it over to me. Don't ask why you went or where, you don't even know the half of it. Eat these sweets, the tempting to believe all over fake hospitality. Give me that quickly, just give it here, hand it to me.
Patience when